In my previous video where I installed the real carbon fiber dash cover, I also purchased matching steering wheel trim inserts. These are sold by LUCKEASY on AliExpress.com. I have included the link in the video description below. These are made from the same Japanese Toray 3K 240G material that the carbon fiber cap was made of. Here you can see the 3 steering wheel trim pieces and how they compare to the dash section. They have the same glossy carbon fiber finish. They are shaped to conform to the curved surface of the steering wheel. They are very well done, high quality pieces. I will show how they fit in the next part of the video. Underneath they have multiple 3M double-sided tape to adhere to the underlying steering wheel sections. The only negative that I see while looking at these trim pieces is that they do not have cutouts for the steering wheel scroll button arrows that light up in the dark. It's not a deal killer, but just a little disappointing. Now we'll go into the car to see how they install. The real carbon fiber pieces are not exactly the same as the center console carbon fiber. However, it's much better than the imitation carbon fiber versions that I had installed on the dash cap. And since they are true carbon fiber, these are very light. This shows how wafer thin these pieces are. We prep the steering wheel area by cleaning with isopropyl alcohol and a clean cloth. After you finish, let it dry, and now we can begin installing the trim. I always test fit the pieces to make sure that they fit in the area and that there's no overlap or any issues. Now remove the 3 red plastic backing strips. The centerpiece is the easiest to install. It fits exactly in the area just under the center soft airbag cover and the edge of the steering wheel. It covers the entire area very accurately. Press down firmly and use a microfiber cloth to make sure that the 3M tape adheres well to the whole area. As with the first piece, I will test fit this piece on this left-hand side. The left and right sides are a little harder since they don't actually cover the entire trim area. I find it best to align them over the scroll wheel button, then straighten to follow the curves on the left and right sides. I found out that I had to play around with it a little bit to make sure that the round cutout covers the scroll wheel entirely and evenly. Remove the red strips from the back of the 3M tape. Press down firmly and use the microfiber cloth so you don't scratch or smudge it up. Continue the same process on the right hand side. And that completes the installation, a fairly easy install. Just have to be a little careful around the scroll wheels. These real carbon fiber accent trim pieces do cost a bit more than the imitation ones, but I feel they look much nicer. And especially if you have the matching dash or console, it really makes a nice look. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. It helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.